Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my go-to recipe for turkey brine. So let me go over the ingredients that I use for my turkey brine. The very first thing is I have a gallon of water here heating up. I will be using a half cup of orange juice, a half cup of cranberry juice. I will be using a cup of kosher salt, a half cup of brown sugar. We're going to be using a tablespoon of thyme, a tablespoon of black pepper, about 2 sticks of your cinnamon sticks, about 4 to 5 bay leaves. Then we're also going to have a lemon cut up, 1 orange cut up, red onion cut up, an apple cut up as well, and about 3 cloves of garlic. The reason you want to use a brine on your turkey is it makes it a lot juicier. It makes the turkey come out a lot. It has a lot more flavor to it. Let's go ahead and add these ingredients into a pot, and I'll show you what to do next. Now that I have all my ingredients in here, I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. What you're trying to do here is you're trying to dissolve the salt and the brown sugar and all the other ingredients, kind of mix them all together. I'm going to get this baby up to a boil. Once you start seeing it boiling up, we're going to go ahead and just mix this in for about 5 minutes just to get a real good release of flavors of all the seasonings and the spices you put in there. After this, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and set it off to the side and let it cool down to room temperature. You don't want to put this brine the way it is into your turkey because it'll start to cook it, and that's not the point. So once you set it aside for about anywhere between 4 to 6 hours, let it cool down on its own. Once this has cooled down and you put your turkey in here into your brine in a plastic bag, you can go ahead and put it in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. Let all these nice melody of flavors just kind of like seep into your turkey before you cook it or smoke it. All right, guys, this has been the Smoking Beard. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Thanks for watching.